Dell EMC Isilon Online Training. Introduction to Dell EMC Isilon, Overview and Evolution. Dell EMC Isilon is a scale-out network-attached storage (NAS) platform designed to manage large amounts of unstructured data efficiently. Here's an overview and evolution of Isilon. Overview. Scale-out architecture. Isilon uses a distributed architecture where storage nodes can be added to increase capacity and performance linearly. This scalability makes it ideal for handling massive datasets. Unified namespace. It presents a single namespace across all nodes, simplifying data access and management. This feature enables seamless expansion without disruption. Performance and efficiency. Isilon offers high throughput and low latency, suitable for demanding workloads like media and entertainment, healthcare imaging, and research environments. Data protection. It includes features like snapshots, replication, and data deduplication to ensure data integrity and availability. Analytics and insights. Isilon integrates with analytics tools to provide insights into storage usage, performance trends, and capacity planning. Evolution. Founding and early development. Isilon Systems, founded in 2001, pioneered the concept of scale-out NAS to address the challenges of managing growing amounts of data. Acquisition by EMC. In 2010, Isilon Systems was acquired by EMC Corporation, which later became part of Dell EMC after Dell's acquisition of EMC in 2016. Technological advancements. Over the years, Isilon has evolved with advancements in storage technologies, including faster processors, denser storage nodes, and enhanced data management capabilities. Integration with Dell Technologies. As part of Dell EMC, Isilon benefits from integration with Dell's broader portfolio of storage, server, and networking solutions, enhancing its scalability, performance, and data protection features. Architecture of Dell EMC Isilon. Understanding scale-out storage. Dell EMC Isilon is designed as a scale-out network-attached storage (NAS) solution, primarily used for managing large amounts of unstructured data. Here are some key architectural features. Scale-out design. Isilon uses a scale-out architecture where multiple nodes, servers, are clustered together to form a single storage pool. This allows seamless expansion by adding more nodes to the cluster, increasing both storage capacity and performance linearly. Nodes. Each node in an Isilon cluster is a self-contained unit with its own CPU, memory, network interfaces, and storage drives. Nodes can vary in size and performance capabilities, providing flexibility in scaling based on specific workload requirements. OneFS operating system. Isilon clusters are powered by the OneFS operating system, which provides a unified file system across all nodes in the cluster. This enables simplified management and efficient data access across potentially thousands of nodes. Smart Connect. Isilon's Smart Connect feature optimizes client connections by load balancing across nodes in the cluster. It ensures high availability and performance by dynamically routing client requests to the most appropriate node based on workload and cluster conditions. Data protection and redundancy. Isilon employs various data protection mechanisms such as RAID, redundant array of independent disks, and erasure coding to ensure data durability and availability. Data can be striped and mirrored across multiple nodes to protect against disk failures and ensure continuous access to data. Integration and protocol support. Isilon supports a wide range of protocols including NFS, Network File System, SMB, Server Message Block, HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, and object protocols like S3. This versatility makes Isilon suitable for diverse use cases including enterprise file storage, big data analytics, and cloud integration. Analytics and Insight IQ. Isilon includes tools like Insight IQ for monitoring and analytics, providing administrators with visibility into cluster performance, capacity utilization, and potential issues. Use cases and applications of Dell EMC Isilon. Dell EMC Isilon is a scale-out network-attached storage platform designed to manage large amounts of unstructured data efficiently. Here are some common use cases and applications where Isilon is typically deployed. Media and entertainment. Isilon is widely used in media production and broadcasting due to its ability to handle large video files, images, and other media assets with high throughput and low latency requirements. It supports workflows like video editing, rendering, and content distribution. Life sciences and healthcare. In sectors like genomics, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare IT, Isilon facilitates the storage and analysis of large volumes of medical imaging data, patient records, genomic sequencing data, and research datasets. Research and academia. Universities and research institutions use Isilon for storing research data, managing scientific datasets, and collaborating on large-scale projects that involve sharing and analyzing vast amounts of information. Financial services. Isilon is deployed in financial organizations for managing and analyzing large amounts of financial data, including market data analysis, risk modeling, and compliance reporting. Cloud and IT service providers. Isilon is utilized by cloud providers and managed service providers to offer scalable storage solutions to their clients, supporting applications ranging from file services to big data analytics. Oil and gas. Isilon supports seismic data analysis, reservoir simulation, and data management in the oil and gas industry, where vast amounts of geophysical and geological data need to be stored and processed. Government and public sector. Isilon is used by government agencies for data archiving, citizen data management, surveillance data storage, and intelligence analysis. Manufacturing and engineering. Isilon helps in managing CAD/CAM files, simulations, and other engineering data, facilitating collaboration and improving productivity in manufacturing environments. Data protection and security features in Dell EMC Isilon. Dell EMC Isilon provides several robust data protection and security features to ensure the integrity and safety of stored data. Here are some key features. Data protection. Snapshot IQ. This feature allows for efficient, scheduled snapshots of data, enabling quick recovery points in case of data loss or corruption. SyncIQ provides a synchronous replication for disaster recovery purposes, ensuring data redundancy across geographically dispersed locations. SmartFail automatically detects and removes failed drives to maintain data availability without manual intervention. Data deduplication and compression reduces storage requirements and improves efficiency without compromising data integrity. Security features. Role-based access control. RBAC controls access to data and system settings based on user roles, ensuring only authorized personnel can perform specific actions. Secure access zones segregates access to data within the cluster, enabling different security policies for different parts of the file system. Data encryption supports data at rest encryption using self-encrypting drives, SEDs, or software-based encryption, depending on the Isilon model. Integration with authentication services integrates with LDAP, Active Directory, and Kerberos for centralized authentication and access control. File system auditing provides auditing capabilities to track file access and modifications for compliance and security monitoring purposes. Data integrity. Checksums and data scrubbing uses checksums to detect and correct data errors, ensuring data integrity over time. Protection against silent data corruption utilizes mechanisms to detect and mitigate data corruption that can occur during storage or transmission. Scalability and performance optimization with Dell EMC Isilon. Scalability and performance optimization with Dell EMC Isilon primarily revolves around leveraging its clustered storage architecture efficiently. Here are some key aspects to consider. Cluster expansion. Isilon clusters can scale out by adding nodes seamlessly. This horizontal scaling approach ensures that both storage capacity and performance can be increased as needed. Smart pools and smart quotas. These features allow you to manage data across different tiers based on usage patterns and performance requirements. By dynamically moving data between storage tiers, you can optimize both performance and cost. Performance acceleration. Isilon supports SSD caching and tiering options to boost performance for frequently accessed data. By strategically placing data on SSDs or using SSDs for caching, you can reduce latency and improve responsiveness. Data protection and redundancy. Isilon provides various data protection schemes, including RAID configurations and replication across nodes. Ensuring adequate redundancy not only protects against data loss but also enhances performance by distributing I/O loads. Network considerations. Network bandwidth and latency are crucial for Isilon's performance. Utilizing high-speed networking technologies such as 1025 4100 GB can significantly improve throughput and reduce access times. Workload optimization. Tailor Isilon configurations to specific workload requirements using tools like OneFS Job Engine for workload isolation, ensuring that critical applications get the necessary resources without impacting others. Monitoring and analytics. Utilize Isilon Insight IQ or other monitoring tools to continuously monitor cluster performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource utilization. Data access patterns. Understanding how data is accessed and utilizing Isilon's policies and settings, like data stripping, can optimize performance for different types of workloads, whether they are sequential or random access. Integration capabilities of Dell EMC Isilon with enterprise systems. Dell EMC Isilon is known for its robust integration capabilities with various enterprise systems, making it versatile for different IT environments. Here are some key integration points typically highlighted. Protocols and standards. Isilon supports a wide range of protocols such as NFS, SMB, FTP, and HDFS, ensuring compatibility with various applications and operating systems commonly used in enterprises. Virtualization. It integrates well with virtualization platforms like VMware vSphere and Microsoft Hyper-V, allowing organizations to leverage virtual environments for managing storage resources efficiently. Backup and recovery. Isilon integrates with backup solutions like EMC Networker and VM, enabling reliable data protection and recovery strategies. Cloud integration. It offers seamless integration with cloud platforms such as Dell EMC ECS, Elastic Cloud Storage, and various public cloud providers through protocols like AWS S3, enabling hybrid cloud deployments and data mobility. Analytics and big data. Isilon supports integration with analytics and big data frameworks like Hadoop, Spark, and Splunk, facilitating data analysis and processing at scale. Security. Integration with enterprise security solutions such as LDAP-AD for authentication and authorization ensures secure access control to data stored on Isilon clusters. Management tools. Isilon clusters can be managed through Dell EMC's proprietary tools like OneFS Management Interface, as well as through third-party tools that support SNMP and REST APIs for automation and monitoring. Cost analysis and total cost of ownership (TCO) for Dell EMC Isilon. When analyzing the cost and total cost of ownership (TCO) for Dell EMC Isilon, several factors typically come into play. Initial acquisition cost. This includes the upfront cost of purchasing the Isilon hardware and software components. Dell EMC Isilon pricing can vary based on the configuration, storage capacity, performance requirements, etc. Operational costs. These include ongoing expenses such as maintenance, support contracts, electricity consumption, cooling, and any necessary upgrades or expansions over time. Management costs. Costs associated with managing and administering the Isilon system, including personnel time and training. Scalability and expansion costs. Considerations for how easily the system can be scaled up or down to meet growing storage needs without incurring disproportionately high costs. Long-term support and end-of-life costs, planning for support renewal costs and potential end-of-life, EOL, replacement or migration expenses. ROI and TCO analysis. It's essential to conduct a thorough analysis comparing the TCO of Dell EMC Isilon against alternative storage solutions to determine the overall cost-effectiveness and return on investment, ROI, over its expected lifespan. Managing workloads and performance tuning in Dell EMC Isilon. Managing workloads and performance tuning in Dell EMC Isilon involves optimizing the storage system to ensure efficient operation and responsiveness to various types of data access patterns. Here are some key considerations and strategies. Workload management. Identify workload characteristics. Understand the types of workloads, example, sequential, random, read-heavy, write-heavy, your Isilon cluster will handle. Use performance monitoring tools. Utilize Isilon Insight IQ or other monitoring tools to track performance metrics such as throughput, latency, and IOPS, input-output operations per second. Implement QoS, quality of service defined policies to prioritize critical workloads and ensure they receive sufficient resources. Utilize smart pools, isolate workloads by placing them on different storage pools based on performance requirements. Data access optimization, leverage caching and tiering features to improve access times for frequently accessed data. Performance tuning, network configuration, ensure network interfaces are properly configured to handle expected throughput and minimize latency. Storage pool configuration, optimize RAID configurations and stripping policies based on workload characteristics. File layout and stripping, distribute files across nodes to evenly distribute I/O operations and avoid hotspots. Cache management, adjust caching policies to maximize hit rates for frequently accessed data. Client configuration, tune client-side configurations, example NFS mount options, to align with Isilon best practices and workload requirements. Best practices. Regular performance testing. Conduct benchmarking and performance testing to validate configurations and identify potential bottlenecks. Stay updated. Keep Isilon OneFS and firmware up to date to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes. Capacity planning. Monitor storage usage trends and plan for future growth to maintain performance levels. Workload isolation. Separate workloads with conflicting performance requirements to prevent one workload from impacting others. Advanced features of OneFS operating system by Dell EMC Isilon. Dell EMC Isilon's OneFS operating system offers several advanced features that cater to large-scale data storage and management needs. Here are some key features. Scale-out architecture. OneFS is built on a scale-out architecture, allowing organizations to expand storage capacity and performance seamlessly by adding nodes to the cluster. Multi-protocol support. It supports multiple protocols such as NFS, SMB, HDFS, FTP, and HTTP, making it versatile for various workload requirements. Smart pools. This feature enables automated tiering of data across different types of storage, like SSDs and HDDs, based on policies, optimizing performance and cost efficiency. Data protection and security. OneFS includes robust data protection mechanisms like snapshots, data deduplication, and data at rest encryption to ensure data integrity and security. Analytics and Insight IQ provides comprehensive analytics and reporting tools through Insight IQ, offering insights into storage usage, performance trends, and system health. Smart Connect ensures client connections are load balanced across nodes for optimal performance and availability. Cloud integration. OneFS integrates with public and private cloud environments, facilitating seamless data mobility and tiering between on-premises storage and cloud platforms. File system features. Supports a scalable and efficient distributed file system with features like file-level locking, quotas, and efficient data distribution across the cluster. Performance optimization includes features for workload balancing, caching, and fine-tuning performance settings to meet specific application demands. Ease of management offers a unified management interface, Isilon OneFS WebUI and CLI for easy administration and monitoring of the storage cluster. Hybrid and multi-cloud deployment considerations for Dell EMC Isilon. Deploying Dell EMC Isilon in hybrid or multi-cloud environments involves several considerations to ensure optimal performance, scalability, and data management. Here are some key considerations. Data mobility and interoperability. Ensure that Isilon can seamlessly move data between on-premises infrastructure and various cloud environments. This requires compatibility with different cloud storage services and efficient data transfer mechanisms. Consistency and latency. Maintain consistent performance levels across hybrid or multi-cloud deployments, considering factors like latency between on-premises and cloud resources. Optimizing network connectivity and data caching strategies can help mitigate latency issues. Data governance and compliance. Implement consistent data governance policies across all environments to ensure compliance with regulations and internal policies. This includes data security, access controls, and auditing capabilities. Cost management. Evaluate the cost implications of storing data in different environments. Isilon steering capabilities can help optimize costs by automatically moving less frequently accessed data to lower-cost storage tiers. Integration with cloud services. Leverage Isilon's integration with cloud-native services for enhanced functionality, such as analytics, AI, ML, and disaster recovery. Ensure compatibility with the cloud provider's ecosystem for seamless integration. Scalability and performance tuning. Plan for scalability both horizontally, adding more nodes, and vertically, increasing capacity per node. Performance tuning involves optimizing data layout, access patterns, and network configurations for optimal throughput and response times. Data protection and disaster recovery. Implement robust data protection mechanisms, including snapshots, replication, and backup solutions that span across on-premises and cloud environments. Ensure data availability and recovery objectives align with business continuity requirements. Monitoring and management. Utilize centralized management tools to monitor and manage Isilon clusters across hybrid or multi-cloud deployments. This includes monitoring performance metrics, capacity utilization, and proactive maintenance. What are the cost implications of deploying Dell EMC Isilon compared to other storage solutions? The cost implications of deploying Dell EMC Isilon can vary depending on several factors. Initial cost. Dell EMC Isilon is known for its scalability and performance, but it typically involves higher initial costs compared to some other storage solutions due to its enterprise-grade features and capabilities. Scalability. Isilon is designed to scale out seamlessly, allowing organizations to add storage capacity and performance as needed. This scalability can provide cost advantages over time, as it allows for incremental growth without major infrastructure overhauls. Total cost of ownership, TCO. When considering TCO, factors such as maintenance, support, power consumption, and space requirements come into play. Isilon's efficiency in managing large-scale data sets can potentially reduce TCO by minimizing the need for additional hardware and management overhead. Performance. Isilon is optimized for high-performance workloads, which may justify its higher upfront cost for organizations with demanding data processing needs. Comparative analysis. To assess cost implications accurately, organizations often conduct comparative analysis with other storage solutions, factoring in performance benchmarks, scalability models, and specific workload requirements. How does Dell EMC Isilon support multi-protocol access for diverse applications? Dell EMC Isilon supports multi-protocol access through its OneFS operating system, which allows it to serve a wide range of applications and use cases simultaneously. Here's how it achieves this. Unified namespace. Isilon provides a single, scalable namespace that can be accessed concurrently using various protocols. This means that different applications can access the same data using protocols that suit their requirements without needing separate storage silos. Supported protocols. Isilon supports multiple protocols such as NFS, Network File System, SMB, Server Message Block, HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, and HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This broad protocol support enables Isilon to cater to different application needs ranging from traditional file-based applications to big data analytics platforms. Protocol integration. Isilon integrates these protocols seamlessly within its OneFS platform. This integration ensures that data access is efficient and consistent across protocols, maintaining data integrity and performance. Performance optimization. Isilon allows administrators to configure and optimize performance for different protocols and workloads through its management tools. This capability is crucial for ensuring that diverse applications, each with their unique performance requirements, can coexist on the same storage platform efficiently. Security and access controls. Isilon provides robust security features and access controls across protocols, ensuring that data is protected and accessed only by authorized users and applications. This is essential for compliance and data governance requirements in enterprise environments. How does Dell EMC Isilon simplify data management and storage administration? Scale-out architecture. Isilon uses a scale-out architecture, which allows you to expand storage capacity and performance linearly by simply adding more nodes. This scalability eliminates the complexity of traditional storage systems that require significant planning and migration efforts to accommodate growth. Single namespace. Isilon creates a single, unified namespace across all nodes in the cluster. This means that regardless of how much storage capacity is added or how many nodes are in the cluster, users and applications see it as a single pool of storage. This simplifies data access and eliminates the need to manage multiple volumes or mount points. Automated tiering and policy-based management. Isilon supports automated tiering, allowing data to be automatically moved between different storage tiers, such as SSDs and HDDs, based on access patterns and policies. This reduces manual intervention and optimizes storage efficiency. Integrated data protection. Isilon provides built-in data protection features such as snapshots, replication, and data at rest encryption. These features help simplify data protection strategies without relying on third-party tools or complex configurations. Simplified administration and monitoring. Isilon includes a centralized management interface that provides a unified view of the entire cluster. This interface simplifies administration tasks such as provisioning storage, monitoring performance, and managing data protection policies. Compatibility and ecosystem integration. Isilon integrates well with various ecosystems and applications commonly used in enterprise environments such as VMware, Hadoop, and various backup solutions. This compatibility reduces integration complexity and ensures smooth operation within existing IT environments. Why choose ProExcellency for Dell EMC Isilon online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Dell EMC Isilon online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise in Dell EMC Isilon. ProExcellency specializes in providing training specifically for Dell EMC Isilon, ensuring that you receive focused and detailed instruction tailored to this technology. Experienced trainers. They likely have trainers who are experienced professionals in the field, capable of delivering high-quality training that combines theoretical knowledge with practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics related to Dell EMC Isilon, from basic concepts to advanced configurations and optimizations. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of scheduling, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience without the need to travel. Hands-on labs and exercises. They may provide hands-on labs and exercises that simulate real-world scenarios, enhancing your practical skills and readiness to implement Dell EMC Isilon solutions. Certification preparation. If applicable, they may offer preparation for Dell EMC Isilon certification exams, helping you validate your skills and enhance your career prospects. Support and community. Access to support during and after the training, as well as potential networking opportunities with other professionals in the field. Thank you.